So in this Visme tutorial video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to create a mind map on the Visme application. So once you have Visme opened up on your device, go to the bottom right and press on the blue circle with the plus icon. Then where it says project type, go sort of to the left hand side of your screen, go to the second from the bottom where it says infographics and press on that. Now once you're on this screen where it says all featured, etc., just slide this bar all the way to the right until you come across an option that says mind map. So from right here, it actually is between resume and roadmaps. Just press on mind maps right here. Now what you can also do is just select a blank template if you so wish, if you want to start from scratch. Or what else you can do is actually just scroll down and find a pre-built template in the Visme app. So if you want this one right here, basic business plan and map, we'll just go ahead and press on this. It's now going to take a couple seconds to load this and generate this project into the Visme application. So just bear with me here. But once that is done, which will be fairly shortly, you now have a template of a mind map that you can now edit and create to be your own in the Visme application. So pretty straightforward. But that's how you guys can create a mind map on the Visme application. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.